Welcome to another Medlook 4 tutorial. Today we will be looking at the Document Manager. Now, to get to the Document Manager in Medlook 4, there are two ways. One, you can go to the Tools menu and go down to Document Manager. And this just includes any patient that you want to. There is no patient specified when you open this portion of the Document Manager. The second way to get to it is you go into a patient's account. You go to Notes and Documents. And then you can see here we already have the patient, Arthur Lewis. So when you come into the Document Manager from a patient's account, it already assumes that you are wanting to put a document in about that specified patient. Now, let's import a document. To do that, you go up to this Import Document button and click it, and you get this dialog right here. Now, first of all, you're going to want to add files to this. So you click this Add File. I'm going to add a test folder that I have here. As you can see, page 1, test document.txt, I have. Now, if I wanted to add another file, I would just say add more files. Or if I wanted to clear the list of all the files that I have in it, you hit clear files. But for right now, we'll just fill out this data. You can specify what carrier this document pertains to. We'll say Blue Cross Blue Shield. Since I'm already in Arthur Lewis's account, it sets the patient as Arthur Lewis. The provider will be our only provider we have set, and the name of this document will be test. The date of service, we'll set it as today. The type is medical record. The category is general, but you also have other categories you can pick from: patient notes, email, scanned documents. And the type, you have medical record, insurance correspondence, and litigation. But we will pick medical record. Now you can pick keywords for this document that you can search on. So I'll set the keywords to test and document. Oops. And you can also add a note into this document. This is a test. Okay, so once you have all your information filled out that you wanted to, you just hit this Add Document button. And there you go. You can see the document was added to your list. And you can sort through this list using the grid. You can sort by the username or the document ID or whatever column you want. What you have to do is grab the title that is on the grid and say you wanted to sort by the document name. You would drag this title bar up into this gray bar and drop it, and there you go. You have sorted by the document name, but we don't want to. I'll just drag it back down here, and there I go. Okay, so say that you have this document and you want to change what insurance it is for. So you will click this drop down right here, and you can change it to any of these you want. We'll say TRICARE. And you hit update, and then there you go. The carrier was changed from Blue Cross Blue Shield to TRICARE. You cannot change the patient seeing as how you are in his specific account, but if you went to the Document Manager through the Tools menu, you could change what patient this is for. Now, let's scan a file in. To scan a file, first of all, you need to have a scanner set up for your computer or on your network in order to scan. So we'll hit the Scan File button, and here we go. You get this dialog. You can pick what paper size you want. You can set your scan type to color, black and white, or grayscale. We'll say color. You can say multi-page document, or you can scan the front and back of each page. Now, If you have a scanner set up for your computer or network, you will hit the Choose Device, and you will select from the list that is installed on your computer. Here, I'll select this. Now, you don't have to choose the file name before you scan. You can do that whenever. But right now, we will say I'm scanning in Arthur Lewis's CMS 1500, so I will name it CMS 1500. I'll save it as a PDF, and then I will hit Scan. And there we go. We have the file scanned in. You can zoom out with this plus or minus button. And there you go. As you can see, we have the CMS 1500 form scanned in. Now, to save the file, you just select the name, you select the file type, and you would hit Save Page. And it would save this into your Documents folder in the database. So if you had your database in your on your C drive, you would go to C and then whatever your database is named, and inside your database you would have a Documents folder and a Scans folder, and this would be saved inside the Scans folder in the database. So I'll hit Save Page, and there we go. It's saved. Exit out of this, and now we can add a document, and I will add that document. I'll add a file. I will go to my database folder, Medlook 4, 40, Documents, Scans, and CMS 1500. And there you go. There's the CMS 1500. Add the document, and there you go. The document's been stored in the database for you. Now up here we have ways to sort through the grid. You have the type of file you want to filter on. You have your category. You have your dates. You can say from this date to this date. You have your keywords. You have your carriers, your patient, and your provider. So that is the way the document manager works. I hope this video has helped, and have a nice day.